Dunia sedih dan berduka. Dunia membutuhkan pelukan dan doa untuk cepat pulih. Kita masing-masing memiliki bagian yang unik untuk dimainkan dalam penyembuhan dunia. Untuk sembuh akan membutuhkan upaya nyata dan perubahan hati dari kita semua. Kita bisa melakukannya, ya. Anda dan saya dan kita semua bersama. Biarkan penyembuhan besar dimulai. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place could be much brighter than tomorrow.
And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow.
And there are ways together, if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race.
There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there is love that cannot lie.
Love is strong, it's only curse of joyful giving. If we try, we still see. In this bliss we cannot fear. Fear of dream to stop existing and start living.
There is feel the always love enough for us growing. Make a better world, make a better place. Heal the world,
Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we will conceive, it will river a joyful fate. And the war we once believed in will stand again in grace. Then why do we keep straying alive when this circle crucifies its soul? Though it's plain to see this world is heavenly, dig up the Lord. So high, let our spirit never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers. In a world with no fear, together we cry happy tears. See the nation turn their sword into plowshares. We could really get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Place for you and for me. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world.
berusaha mencari masker ke sana dan kemari, namun kita tidak dapat juga. Jadi saya mohon kiranya Tuhan mau menjadi masker